Good morning, aspirants. Today's news. India's low Gini index score of 25.5 in 2024 suggests moderate inequality. Comes under GS2 governance. But on ground realities reflect significant disparities in wealth, gender, education and digital access. Key inequality indicators in India. India's Gini index score ranks it among world's most equal societies, but despite stark inequality in reality. Top 1% in 22.6% of national income, with much of population reliant on low-paying informal work. Rural digital access is gender skewed. Only 25% of rural women access the internet compared to 49% of men. Understanding the Gini index. Gini index, also called Gini coefficient or Gini ratio, determines a national level income inequality by measuring income distribution or wealth distribution across its population. Gini index was developed in 1912 by Italian statistician Cardo Gini. The coefficient of Gini index ranges from 0 or 0% to 1 or 100%. Mathematically, Gini coefficient is defined based on Lorentz curve. The Lorentz curve plot the percentiles of population on the graph horizontal axis according to the income or wealth, whichever is being measured. Gini index examples: perfect inequality, perfect equality. Important note: Gini index is not an absolute measure of country's income or wealth. The Gini coefficient only measures the dispersion of income or wealth within a population. Adi Tiruvadirai festival at Gangaikonda Solapuram, Tamil Nadu, comes under GS1 Indian Culture and Heritage. It coincides with the 1000th anniversary of Rajendra Chola's one Southeast Asian expedition. Adi Tiruvadirai festival significance. The Adi Tiruvadirai festival in Tamil Nadu marks the birth anniversary of Rajendra Chola I. In 2025, the festival coincided with the 1000th anniversary of Rajendra Chola's Southeast Asian Naval Expedition and the foundation of Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Prime Minister Modi attended the closing ceremony and praised Chola maritime legacy. Gangaikonda Cholapuram, capital of Imperial Cholas for 250 years, is a part of UNESCO Great Living Chola Temple Heritage List. Local development and concern. Current challenges: Arilur district, where the temple is located, remains economically backward with poor infrastructure and low tourist. Community demands: residents demand pending rail connectivity, industrial revival and promotion of tourism to revive the region. Government response: Tamil Nadu government announced 41.35 crore for lake rejuvenation, tourist amenities and new museum at the site. Chola dynasty legacy. Focus on Chola Emperor legacy in trade, governance and infrastructure as the symbol of ancient India's enterprise and sovereignty. Commemoration includes Gangaikonda Cholapuram Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Chola dynasty relevance in water management, taxation, land revenue and local democracy is emphasized. Pragadiswara Temple, over 1000 years old, exemplified the seismic resilient architecture. About Rajendra I. Rajendra, also known as Gangaikonda Chola, was the Chola emperor who reigned between 1014 to 1044 Common Era. Collapse of government school building in Rajasthan's Jalwar district, comes under GS2. It has renewed scrutiny on condition of public school infrastructure in India. School infrastructure: 7 students death, 8,000 unsafe schools in Rajasthan, 650 crore budget allocation to revive this. 70,000 government schools in Rajasthan has over 84 lakh students, mainly marginalized communities. A similar collapse in Nagar the next day was averted due to school disclosure. They see Unified District Information System of Education Plus. UPSC is one of the largest management information system initiated by Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education. UDC Plus is an online portal facility created by DOSEL for record of data related to school, teachers, enrollment, infrastructure, etc. The UDC Plus school-wise data is captured through data capture format. Free bus schemes help, but rural India pays more to travel. World Bank and CES data highlighted this. Poverty reduction and household expenditure. Transportation expenditure and bus expenditure. Household expenditure, food expenditure now constitutes 47% and 39% urban of total household expenditure. Transportation bus accounts for 20% of convenience costs. Infrastructure gap. India's bus to population ratio is 17 per lakh. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.